If you write notes in class but still feel like you never attended the lecture, this video is for you. I used to call it blind schooling, and today, I'll show you how I escaped it. Before writing or taking any note, you must first know the topic you're about to learn. Let the topic you are about to learn not be introduced after the class or during class, but before the class. This one shift completely changed my note-taking, my understanding, and my confidence in class. I remember attending classes without even knowing what the lecturer was going to teach. The lecturer would start dictating notes, but all I cared about was keeping up. Sometimes I couldn't finish writing, so I'd copy from a friend. If many of us wanted to copy, I'd snap the notes on my phone. As I was snapping and copying, the lecturer was still talking and explaining, which I all missed. At the end of the day, I had notes, but no understanding. And in worst days I couldn't even complete the notes before the class ends. When it was time to read, it felt like I was seeing the topic for the first time. I was tired, frustrated, stuck in a cycle of failure. That's when I knew I couldn't continue like this. Then I found one strategy that changed everything, not just my notes, but my learning. And that's what I'm teaching you today. Dear smart learners, before we continue, this is a new channel, we need your support to grow. Let's continue with the note-taking strategy that changed everything. Step 1. Know the topic before class. Before any lecture, I made sure I knew the topic I was about to be taught. Even if it was just the topic name, my brain needed direction. Step 2. Pre-study with a blank page. This is what I call the 6-section method. I opened a blank page and divided it into sections. Section 1. Topic. I wrote the topic at the top. Section 2. Explain it to yourself. I searched YouTube, Google, and ChatGPT for a general overview. I didn't copy, I wrote everything in my own simple words. Section 3. Curiosity questions. This is very important. Curiosity leads to desire, which leads to interest. Because of this, I made sure I was curious about anything I was supposed to learn. And this boosted my eager to know more about certain topics. I wrote down what I wanted to know about the topic to cure my curiosity. Examples of curious question about a topic could be: who founded this? What are the characteristics? What is the nature and scope, advantages and disadvantages? Is there an opposing concept? What value will this knowledge give me? Curiosity is necessary for learning. Sections 4 to 6. Answers. I tried answering the questions using what I already studied from YouTube, Google and ChatGPT. The ones I couldn't answer, I left them blank. Those became my power questions for the lecturer. By power questions, I mean questions that I will take with me to the actual class to ask the lecturer. My classroom experience changed completely. I moved from being a lost student snapping notes, to someone who already understood most of the material content. It felt like I was listening to a revision, not a new lesson. I listened actively. I understood better. After class, I raised my hand to ask intelligent questions. Learning became easy. Good notes don't come from fast writing, they come from prepared minds. Stop blind schooling. Study with direction.